Good morning, students. Yes, students, today we are studying new topic, that is percentage. Clear, students? So, percentage means out of 100. When we find the percentage, we find how many numbers or which quantity we find out of 100. So, percentage means out of 100. So, this is a symbol of percentage. Right, percentage will write as, suppose you got 35%, we'll write as 35 then percentage. Clear, students? So next, students, in this topic we will discuss few questions of exercise 61. Now exercise 61. Yes, beta. Your first question is express each of the followings as fraction and its lowest term. Express given numbers as a fraction and its lowest term. We are given few numbers in percentage form. First, we will convert these numbers as a fraction. Then we will convert in its lowest term. Lowest term means smallest form. Okay. Your first question is express as fraction and its lowest term. Sorry, lowest form. Your first number is, first question, part A, 35%. 35%. Yes, students. First, we'll convert this number as a fraction. Then we will convert in its lowest term. First, beta, convert 35% as a fraction. As earlier I explains, percentage means out of 100. So when we convert this number as a fraction, we'll write as 35 upon 100. Percentage means out of 100. So when we convert this number as a fraction, we'll write as 35 upon 100. Now remove the percentage sign. So this is a fraction form of this number. Express as fraction and its lowest term, 35%. First we'll write this number as a fraction, 35 upon 100. Now students, convert this number, this fraction number, in its lowest term. As you know, our numerator is 35 and denominator is 100. Numerator is 35 and denominator is 100. Now convert this number in its smallest form. Smallest form, yes, 35 and 100, both are multiple of 5. 35 of 100, both are multiple of 5. So we will divide numerator as well as denominator by 5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Because both are 35 and 100, both are multiple of 5. Clear, students? Now 35 divided by 5 will get 7. When we divide 35 by 5, we'll get 7. And when we divide 100 by 5, we'll get 20. Clear, student? So our answer is 7 upon 20. Yes, students, your question is convert 35% as a fraction and its lowest term. Fraction number is 35 upon 100. Now its lowest term, 35 and 100 both are multiple of 5. So we will divide the numerator as well as denominator by 5. Yes, 35 divided by 5 will get 7 and 100 divided by 5 will get 20. Clear, students? Yes, students, in first question we have 12 parts. Now part B, 48%. 48%. Now students, convert this number as a fraction. 48 upon 100. 48 upon 100. This is a fraction form of 48%. Now students, convert into its lowest term. 48 and 100 both are multiple of 4. So we will divide the numerator as well as denominator by 4. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. Yes, students, 48 divided by 4 will get 12. When we'll divide 48 by 4, we'll get 12. Now divide 100 by 4, we'll get 25. So our answer is 12 upon 25. Clear, students? Next is part C. Part C is 72%. 72%. Now, first we'll convert this number as a fraction. 72 upon 100. 72 upon 100. Now convert 72 upon 100 into its lowest term. For this, students, again we will divide by 4. 72 divide by 4, 100 divide by 4. Yes, friends, when we divide 72 by 4, we get 18. 72 divide by 4. You can see divide in rough side. 72 divide by 4. 4 1 are 4. And 8 4 are 32. So we'll get 18. Same, students, when we divide 100 by 4, we get 25. 25. So the answer is 18 upon 24. Clear, students? Next is part D. Part D is 84%. Again, same method, 84 upon 100. 84 upon 100. Now convert into its lowest term. For this, students, again we'll divide by 4. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. 84 divided by 4, we get 21. And 100 divided by 4, we get 25. So your answer is 21 upon 25. Clear, students? So this is first question, part A, B, C, and D. Clear, students? Next is part E. Yes, students. Our next number is a mixed fraction number. Now convert this mixed fraction number as a fraction and then its lowest term. Now our number is 7 1 upon 2%. 7 1 upon 2%. Yes, friends, first we'll convert this number in as a improper fraction. For this, students, 2 multiplied by 7. First, we'll convert this mixed fraction number as an improper fraction number. For this, students, 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So number is 15 upon 2. 15 upon 2%. Now to remove fraction percentage sign, we will divide by 100. 15 upon 2 multiply by 100. Get 15 upon 2 multiply by 100, 200. Yes, beta. Now we get 15 upon 200. Now convert this number into its simplest form, lowest term. For this, students, we will divide by 5. Because 15 and 200, our numerator and denominator, both are multiple of 5. So we will divide by 5. 15 divided by 5 will get 3. 15 divided by 5 will get 3. And 200 divided by 5. 200 divided by 5 will get 40. So our answer is 3 upon 40. Clear, students? Next, we'll discuss part G. We'll discuss next part G. 2 upon 3. 16. 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3%. 16, 2 upon 3%. Now, first 3 multiplied by 16. 16, 3 are 48. Plus 2, 50. So we'll get number 50 upon 3%. 16 multiplied by 3 will get 48. 48 plus 50. So we'll get 50 upon 3%. Now, students, to remove percentage sign, we will divide by 100. 50 upon 3 multiplied by 100. Clear, beta? Now, 50 upon 300. 50 upon 300. Now, students, convert 50 upon 300 into its lowest term. First, we cancel 0, 0. Now we have 5 upon 30. 5 upon 30. divide 5 divided by 5 will get 1, and 30 divided by 5 will get 6. So 1 upon 6. Answer is 1 upon 6. Clear, beta? Yes, friends. Next, we'll discuss part I. Part I. 135%. 135%. Yes, friends. It means 135 and 100. Both are multiple of 27. When we divide 135 by 5, 135 divided by 5, we get 27. 27. Now 100 divided by 5 will get 20. 100 divided by 5 will get 20. So our answer is 27 upon 20. Answer is 27 upon 20. Clear, students? Now, last part, we discuss part K. Yes, but now we have 2%. Part K, 2%. Again, first we'll divide this number as a, first we'll convert this number as a fraction. We'll get 2 upon 100. 2 upon 100. Now convert into its lowest term. For this, students, we will divide by 2. Because 2 and 100 both are multiple of 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 100 divided by 2 will get 50. Clear, beta? Now our answer is 1 upon 50. 1 upon 50. So again, students, this is first question, part E, G, I, and K. Clear, students? Now, second question, express as a decimal numbers. Now we have percentage, we have few numbers in form of percentage. We will convert these number as a decimal. Next question, second is express as decimal. Second question. Express as a decimal. Yes, beta. Your first question is 23%, part A. Your number is 23%. to express this number as a decimal, we'll convert this number as a fraction. To express this number as a decimal, first we will convert this number as a fraction. So fraction form is 23 upon 100. Now students, convert this number as a decimal. 23 upon 100. Now our numerator is 23 and denominator is 100. Yes, beta. Now you can see in denominator we have 2 0, 1, 2. So put decimal point after 2 digits from right hand side. 2, 3, 1, 2. So we have 2 0, 1, 2. So put 1, 2. Put a point. Clear, students? So your answer is 0.23. 0.23. Clear, beta? Now part B is 72%. 72%. Now first we write as 72 upon 100. Numerator is 72 and denominator is 100. Now put decimal point after 2 digits from right hand side. 2, 7, 1, 2. Now put a decimal and now your answer is 0.72. 0.72. Clear, students? Next is C part, 6%. 6 upon 100. 6%. First we'll write this number as a fraction, 6 upon 100. Now our numerator is 6 and denominator is 100. Now we'll put decimal after 2 digits, but in numerator we have only 1 digit number, that is 6. So we'll write as 6, then 0. 6, 0, 1, 2. Now 1, 2. Now put your point. And here we'll write 0. So your answer is 0.06. 0.06. So, clear, students? Next is part D. Sorry, next we'll discuss part E, 35.6%. Part E is 35.6%. Yes, students, first we'll write this number as a 35.6 upon 100. Now, students, will remove this decimal point. For students, we will divide by 10 because after point we have only 1 digit, that is 6. So we will divide by 10. So our fraction number is 356 upon 100 multiplied by 10. Next step, 356 upon 1000. 100 divided by 10 will get 1000. Now set the point. Now our numerator is 356 and the denominator is 1000. So right now put after this, because in denominator we have 3 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, put your point. 0.356. Clear, students? Next is part G. Part G is 180%. 180%. Yes, friends. First, we'll write this number as a fraction. 180 upon 100. 180 upon 100. Now, write this fraction number as a decimal number. Now, our numerator is 180 and denominator is 100. Now, put decimal after 2 digits. 1, 2. Now, put here point. Point 80. Clear, students? Yes, students, clear? Next is part I, 4.5%. Part I, 4.5%. First, we'll write this number as a fraction. 4.5 upon 100. Now, students, remove this decimal point. 45 upon 100. To remove this decimal, we'll multiply here. We'll divide by 10. Now, 45, 100 multiplied by 10 will get 1000. Now we'll get 45 upon 1000. Now, students, write this number as a decimal number. In numerator, we have 45, 2 digit, 4 and 5. But in denominator, we have 30, 1, 2, 3. So we'll put decimal point after 3 digit. But in numerator, we have only 2 digits. So we'll write this number as 5, 4, then 0. Now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now put your point. Write 0. So students, our answer is 0.045. Clear, students? Next is part J. Now we have 6.25%. 6.25%. First, we write this number as a fraction. 6.25 upon 100. Now remove this decimal. After decimal, we have 2 digit, 1, 2. So write as 625 upon 100 multiply by 100. Because after decimal, we have 2 digits. So we'll divide by 100. Clear, students? Now next is 625. 100 multiply 100 will get 10,000. 10,000. Now our numerator is 625 and denominator is 10,000. In denominator, we have 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll set decimal after 4 digits from right hand side. 5, 2, 6. 1, 2, 3. What here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your point. Now your answer is 0.0625. Dear students, yes, students, last part 0.3%. 0.3%. First, we write this number as a fraction. 0.3 upon 100. 0.3 upon 100. Now remove this decimal point. For this, students, we will divide by 10. Because after decimal, we have only one digit. So write as 300 multiplied by 10. Now students, 3 upon 100 multiplied by 1 is 1000. Now our fraction number is 3 upon 1000. Yes, students, now our numerator is 3 and denominator is 1000. And in denominator we have 3 0, 1, 2, 3. So we'll put decimal after 3 digits from right hand side. But here we have only one digit. So write this number as 3 0 0 1 2 3. Now 1 2 3. Now put your point. Clear, students? So your answer is 0.003. Your answer is 0.003. Clear, students? So students, in new topic in exercise 61, in this lecture we'll discuss first and second question of exercise 61. So students, today your homework is complete question first and second in your fair notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.